Sibububarkaton a video about a former atheist even arabas ese nunugu non god merom ngegerei found Jesus pokiten everyone Charlie Kirk mevet ekarfuri nuburan sefeten all over America ne aborosa usun an nuguruk me usun met I mirugunon. Check it out.
Just like everybody else yesterday, I followed it. I had tickets to see Charlie October 29th at Ole Miss. I was really looking forward to it. I've been a lifelong atheist. I never believed in God, but I saw the joy that it brought to Charlie. And it brought me to God. And really moved me to see him. And I was looking forward to meeting him and telling him that you helped me find God. And I saw that peace that he had. And so I'm here today to celebrate his life and make sure that people don't forget how much of an impact he had for all of us.
Maritigot revete wera puerrete norari testimony parfokun maritigot ren marawen ewen Charlie Kirk. Ye a scripture e come to mind nubun a ekieki marawan ewen. Amak not 1 Peter chapter 3 verse 15. Instead, you must worship Christ as Lord of your life. And if someone asks about your hope as a believer, always be ready to explain it. Idosun marawari when amen always ready to explain it. Pota eruguruk non ats sawon Jesus Christ. Fayetsun and God kapas eborono.